So we're here today at Scotch Corner. We've got one of our electric Volvo excavators here working, digging a trench for our transformers. Our CEO, Doddington Harper, was at an exhibition called Move. He saw the SMT stand and saw the Volvo, was very impressed with what he saw. And here we are today, sustainably building one of our super hubs. When we get to a construction site, there's not always power. So what we have is an SEC16, which is a solar energy center. This is a system where we use the solar panels to harness the sun. We take that power inside our unit there and we charge batteries. And those batteries we use to deliver the power through our GRIDSERVE charger into the excavator. We can get 4 hours use out of the excavator before we need to charge it, which is more than what we really need in a normal day's use anyway. So we can either charge it over lunch or we can charge it overnight when it's ready for the guys to use whenever they need. It's very clean, there's no smell of diesel, there's no noise. It's of great benefit to us and to the people who are working here.
It's brilliant, very comfortable to drive. It's my first time driving an electric digger. It's got the same pull, same power as a diesel machine without the noise.
It's exceptionally quiet, which for health and safety on a site is paramount for us. And by not having that diesel engine noise, it gives us an added benefit of being able to talk like we are now without having the need for radios or signals.
Oh, it's a lot better. Normally when I've got my banksman and I can't hear a word he's saying, I've got to switch the machine off, but with this, you don't have that problem. You can get a lot of complaints about noise depending on what kind of building site you're working on. So it eliminates that straight away.
One of the other benefits is the ease of use. There's a cable in here that connects and a cable here that connects, and that's it. The diesel needs a maintenance schedule. You have to service the machine, you have to change the oil, change the filters. These are so much simpler. We just make sure that it's charged and it's working. It's fantastic. I mean, who isn't impressed with what Volvo are doing anyway, and to see what we can actually do together and partner in with SMT and Volvo and making sure that we're pushing our sustainability targets by doing what we say. Using this equipment on our sites is fantastic.